Yeah, and welcome back to the video. So we're going to go install headlights on my friend's car. He has a 2.0 Accord. I don't know if I ever showed this car on the channel. I don't think I ever have, but he has a 2.0 Accord. I'm in my brother's car because my radiator broke, so I don't have coolant in it. So it's just sitting, and I've been waiting for a radiator to come in. But that should hopefully be here tomorrow. But we're gonna be installing some headlights on this car. He has the second version. They kind of look like the Lexus style, but they're not the Lexus style. They have like a second version of it. I don't know. We're just gonna meet up in his park garage because it's like raining outside to install them. So I'll just see you when he gets here.
Good morning, bro. Eventually had it cold up, bro.
Yeah, ran to him?
Yeah. You got his camera and shit too.
Yeah. Got the cameras out.
That's some fake content shit right there. A nigga me and another nigga with a camera.
Fox tweeted this shit.
Yeah. Oh yeah, okay. I thought there were other wheels when he pulled up. I didn't even notice that. I didn't even notice that.
Word, I got them, and the guy fixed them shits too, cause my shit had a little bit of curb rash and shit.
Yeah.
He fixed all that shit, so now my shit is, Gucci now.
All right. So the headlights are in your car, right?
Yeah, my car. I mean, luckily I still have, like, I had some money put up for it, but I'm just like, still, just like,
yeah.
I wasn't trying to do
I feel you.
Okay, so basically, I only have to come an extra $300 out of pocket and shit.
Yeah, at least you had enough.
Shit, that's what I'm saying. Shit was in the negative. Oh yeah, I'm about to order another one of this shit too.
What,
I don't know how to put that shit in.
I can't put that on.
Oh yeah, because it's smaller.
Yeah.
Gotta be
Lift it up, and that's it. Thing broke on both sides. I was like, wow. Like, that's tough.
more money you gotta fucking spend.
Yeah, I just ended up buying a brand new one. I was like, you check another junkyard. I was like, no, I'm just gonna buy a brand new one. Like, I'm not gonna
keep running around and shit looking for a fucking.
I was like, these guys just don't know how to take stuff off a car. That's why it keeps breaking.
Yeah.
Like, if they know how to take stuff off, it wouldn't be a problem. That goes there, and that was not in place. So go back.
Right here is like a big gap right here.
Yeah, you can see. You already see the difference.
Got a little bit of it out. There we go.
You pull it. Got to unplug these guys. This is usually a harder to unplug.
It's like right now.
Yeah. Taking this clip out right down here. 10 mil out. You can take that too. All right.
Rip me out the pack, you got me as a brand new. I'm sorry.
Push it down right here a little bit. So it's just open. Now you could fix it. You just gotta get a retap kit. They call it the forbidden kit because nobody likes doing it. Tight. Alright. We'll get done to test them before we button everything up. Test everything else. You know if everything's working. Regular headlights. Yeah. Right.
That's the, what's that? That's the running?
That's the even.
Even on?
So that's it for the install right here. You know, they look pretty good. You know, he hit me up. It started raining, so we were just like, you know, let's go to the parking garage and get it done. And here we are. We're done. It looks pretty good, just the regular version. I know somebody has the RGB version of these, but you know, you can always get the regular. The regular is never too bad. Like I said, they look like the Lexus style headlights I had before. So obviously, without the Nike looking check mark. I get a thumbnail.
Was it?
Those are the low beams.
This is the high beam.
It's really fine, but don't one side look brighter than the other?
Yeah, it does, but I'm assuming it's probably the adjustment because you probably have to adjust that one up a little bit.
Everything is good.
Alright, so yeah, that's it for the headlight install. Like I said, we're done. Just gonna pick up the trash that we left here, you know. Clean up our trash. The other one's over there. But that's it for this headlight install. I don't know the name of the headlights. Action Auto calls them V5s or V4s or something like that. I don't know. But you know, there's just the check mark, I guess you call them. I don't know what to call them, to be honest with you. But yeah, I'm gonna head back over to Frank's house, so I gotta drop the tools back off. And hopefully tomorrow when my radiator comes, I'll fix it. I'll definitely record me putting that in. I already took it apart, put the new one in. That one was broken. Took it out, bring it back to the place because they're like, give me another one, and that second one was broken. So I just ordered one on Amazon, and it should be here tomorrow. So yeah, I'm gonna close out the video here.